Now we will understand how to install the WordPress on a XAMPP. Then now start the XAMPP. That one is simply I already started the XAMPP with starting with Apache and the MySQL. Okay. Then next step, that one is to copy the unzipped folder in a XAMPP folder. That one is copy the unzip folder of a WordPress. Okay, that is a WordPress folder. We will copy it. Okay, then so it's about to copy it, then then it's about the WordPress. Copy this folder and place under the XAMPP. Okay, it's copying. Then next step, that one is open the browser and print it with a local host PHP myadmin. Then open the browser, then mention it with PHP myadmin. It's simply the open the PHP myadmin panel, and this copying is going on. Then it's simply localhost PHP myadmin. It's open now. It's completed with the copy the WordPress here under the XAMPP. Then in our databases, when you open it, it's a MyDB. The MyDB, create one new database. Okay, create one new database, not a table, that one is a database. Okay, here create a new database with the same name as we copy this folder here. Just to copy that name. Okay, create the one database, that one is the same name, which one is we copy the folder on a XAMPP WordPress folder. That WordPress folder name you need to create the database of that. Then after that you need to, then it shows the database, right click on a new work in the left side, create a new database with the name WordPress, same as a folder which one is available on XAMPP. Then open the local host and that WordPress folder name. Alright, now we will open it with the folder name. That one is how exact. Okay, it's showing the error. New record created successfully. Localhost WordPress object not found. Mentioning WordPress. Maybe the under the copy this with a htdocs. Then we will check it if it is workable or not. Initially we copy it on a particular only a XAMPP folder. I am just trying to copy, maybe it need to copy under the htdocs because of every server file run from the htdocs. That's why just to copy that under the htdocs, that is a WordPress folder. We already created a database to run it. Okay, it's simply the WordPress database. Then we copy this, we will refresh it and we will check out. it's workable. Okay, it's work. Then it go with the WordPress. Means copy your WordPress folder under the htdocs. Then it start with the particular setup of WordPress. Then select as a language. Then click on continue. Then again welcome to WordPress. Before getting the start, we need to some information on the database. You need to knowing following item before proceeding. Database name, that one is the WordPress. Database username, is root. Database password is nil. Database host, that one is localhost. Table prefix, that one is we need to put it at the time of installation. Then let's go. It's automatically take the all data. Username, that one is the database as your username as a root. Password is null. Database is a localhost. Prefix is WP. Click on submit. Then it's mentioning as run the installation. Then it start the installation of a WordPress under the XAMPP. Then information needed, that means the site title, you just to mention the site as a my site. Then username, you just to my user, or it may be mentioned as second, and mention as a password as whatever you want to put, right? Then confirm use of a password. Confirm use of a password. Then mentioning email address as abc@gmail.com. Then search engine discourage. Okay, install the WordPress. Password is you need to remember the password and username. Okay, that one is very important. And or it may be the again a problematic. So, username is Srikanth, password is Sahin. Okay, then it's going, means it start to install the again the content of a WordPress. Okay, installation started. Choose a password. Okay, second. Okay, all WordPress installation is done. Now mention the, just to remember it, login. Briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance. Check back in a minute. Continue. Channels is possible to run. Okay. Okay, it start with the your dashboard of WordPress. Okay. Now then, if you want to create, or it may be you just to check it with different type of features. It's about the post, media, pages, comment, appearance, plugins. If you want to install the plugin, means extra functionality to particular website. Okay, then if we want to create one site, change your theme completely. Welcome to WordPress. Write your first blog, add the pop-up page, set up your home page, view your site. Okay, set up your home page. That one is customize. static. Okay. Pages. As a website page, we create our website page. It's by default it's run with the two pages, privacy policy and the sample page. You can easily view that with the help of my site. We will check it. Okay, this one is your page. It's my just another WordPress site, hello world. It's just to and click it on it mentioning some hyperlink. Okay, then go to the dashboard again, just mention it with some points like pages comes with sample page. This is simply the paragraph. Then welcome to wonderful web blog. Add the blog. If you want to add the blog, these are the options you want to add on the page, like image, heading, words, list, gallery, whatever the content you can add it. And then we can post a dashboard setting. Okay, if you want to change it as a sample page, just to mention add the title as my first page. Okay, and if you want to change the content, you can change it under the paragraph. If you want to hyperlink as a local WordPress index page sample page as a link, then dashboard cancel, you want to again switch to drop preview the content. If you want to preview it, you just to change the page content, that means change as my first page, right? Then again comment plugins users, we can add the theme, library post, dashboard, new media pages users. These are the way you can add the particular paragraph, content structure, add block, then place a post, category, setting, press theme. And this is the way you need to add the theme to the page. Simply select the one theme, then activate it, and then this particular this WordPress provides you the inbuilt facility to create the website. Like I just to select the one theme and I just to use it, like visit new theme activated. Now visit my page. This is my site, and you just to check it with hello world, right? Then if you want to change it with again option like adding the hyperlink, and you need to write some blog, or maybe add about the pages, then visit your, then these are the options, these are the again options to add your or create your page. Okay, this is simply the way how to create the website with the WordPress. It automatically creates the data, or maybe the we will verify what exact the database content under the WordPress database. It automatically creates all details like about the whatever you done under the that WordPress to create the website. Okay, this is simply the basic about how to create the website with the WordPress.